the automated system seems to be working efficiently.
Yes, intake is up 20% since Tuesday. Keep an eye on the newcomers over there.
All right, I'm writing down the consumption rate now.
Clutch is showing strong vitals, but watch the temperature on the far right.
Okay, I'll log that adjustment immediately. Move up there, keep them moving. Steady now, almost to the truck.
A transcription is a single line of transcription reflecting the most salient spoken words occurring during the 8-second video.
In this state-of-the-art facility, we process the hides using automated systems and precise temperature control.
Check the pH levels on vat 3.
Reading looks good, consistent with the batch profile.
Pull evenly on your side.
Got it. The texture is excellent on this one.
The rendering shows the proposed texture alignment here.
Ah, I see. We should use this section of the hide then. It has the best pattern match.